McClure Live. This is the papa of all papas. This story is unbelievable. And what happened here, at some point in time, the dam was broken. So the homeowners association got together and repaired the dam. And I don't know the exact, we'll get on it. But I do know, since Kevin Cook's been up there 12 years, he had his hand in this deal. And this isn't Kevin Cook, pick on Kevin Cook day, but after him calling me a liar like he did today, off camera, it's not, I don't mind him doing that, but just at least give me an opportunity to give you a breath mint, man. Whew! I got these great breath mints from Joe Rogan. Very strong. Better than Altoids. So think about this. This is a beautiful lake. So the city or the county, one of them we'll find out. I think I've got the IRB on my desk. So an industrial revenue bond was floated to fix the dam. But here's the deal. They put the dam repair onto lots over here that haven't paid, they hadn't paid their specials in 5 years. Now, where's the justice in that? But man, look at this. Isn't this a nice lake? Man, I was over here the other day and there's water features in this thing. Living large, baby. On the backs of the taxpayers of Shawnee County. Man. Oh, wait, these are all voters. Huh. Need their vote so I can come in and fix it. These are Spencer Duncan's people. Oh, man. It's not about me getting a better deal. It's about you guys, the voters. Hey, if you don't see that, send Spencer or some of the other elected officials. But when you guys want to start seeing something different, you got to put different people in play. Karen Hiller's got to go. The deputy mayor, he doesn't even return phone calls of the existing city council people. Neil Dobler, time to retire. Got Earl McIntosh there. The girl with the most business experience owns a company that she does business when you die. The monument lady. I know we've got somebody for one for sure, a Make America Great guy. And I appreciate Earl McIntosh taking time with 5,400 people. But this one is the worst. The industrial revenue bond, and then the specials are placed for dam repair on lots that have their 5 years in arrears. That is irresponsible. That is bad government. What if they're just stupid? Hey, if it was an oversight, but it doesn't make any sense. I think we ought to sue the homeowners association for all the specials on dam repair. Amanda Stanley can write that and stick her nose out of this Citizens Commission thing. I'm live.